Also be sure to use one of the many citation machines to help you generate correct APA citations. Just Google APA citation machines and you'll see many options. One of my favorites is 7th edition Citation Wizards, which is free. Here you see the home page. First, choose from the 5 categories. The citation I need is for a blog post, so I select that. Next, fill in the information for the source. Simply leave blank any area for which you don't have information. And finally, click Print Citation, and you'll see on the next page a correct APA reference citation for you to copy. Remember, all APA in-text citations are the same. The author's last name plus a page number. If there is no author, substitute the title of the source you're citing. If there is no page number, use a paragraph number instead.